Welcome to this presentation. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve equations that involves fractions, and the variable you are solving for is found on the left side of the equal sign and the right side of the equal sign. So watch this presentation up to the end, as I'm going to show you how you can solve such a question. And this question, I'm getting it from 2021 paper, that is mathematics paper 2, and this was question number 1b. So this question definitely came last year in the 9th paper mathematics. So how do you solve such a question? Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to write this question down here. Okay, so this is the question that came in 2021, as I said earlier on. So what you need to do now is you need to get rid of the fraction. So you need to get rid of this fraction, which is x minus 3 over 2. So you need to get rid of the fraction. So what do you do to get rid of this fraction? That means I'm going to multiply every term in this expression by 2. So I'm going to multiply every term in this expression by 2. So that means I'm going to have 2 multiplied by x minus 3 over 2. Then I'm also going to multiply negative 1 multiplied by 2, and I'm also going to multiply x by 2. Okay, so I've done what I've done to the first term to all the terms. Okay, once I've done this, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to when you look at the first term, if you multiply 2 by x minus 3 over 2, that means these 2 and these 2 will cancel each other out. Once we have done that, then I'm going to write what is remaining. So I'm remaining with x minus 3 minus negative 2. So when you multiply negative 1 by negative 2 will give us, when you multiply negative 1 by 2 will give us negative 2, then which will be equal to x times 2 will give us 2x. Okay. Alright, now once I've done this, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add negative 3. I'm going to evaluate negative 3 minus 2. So I'm going to subtract negative 3 minus 2, which will give me, before I do that, let me write x. Then negative 3 minus 2 will give me negative 5, which will be equal to 2x. Okay. Once I've done this, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the like terms together. That means 2x and 1x will be on one side of the equal sign. That means I'm going to remain with the negative 5 alone on the left side of the equal sign. So I'm going to write negative 5 is equal to 2x minus, now the x which is on the left side of the equal sign, when it crosses the equal sign, goes to the side where there is 2x, then it will become a negative, so it will be minus x. Okay, once I've done that, then I'm going to write negative 5 is equal to 2x minus x will give me x. So the value of x in this expression is negative, the value of x in this expression is negative 5. So basically this is how you solve for x when you are given such a question. So I'm going to go a bit further by proving that negative 5 I've gotten is the correct answer. So what do you do? So I'm going to rewrite the entire question. Okay, that's the question we are asked. So where there is x, I'm going to replace x by negative 5, because we have found that negative 5 is the value of x. So I'm going to write negative 5 minus 3, yes, over 2 minus 1 is equal to negative 5. Okay, so as you can see, I've just replaced x by negative 5 because we found that the value of x is negative 5. Once we have done that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify the fraction. So I'll start by subtracting the top part, which is negative 5 minus 3, so which will give me negative 8 over 2 minus 1 is equal to -5. Okay, now I'm going to do this. I'm going to simplify this fraction. Since we know that 2 can go into -8, so how many times can 2 go into -8 to go negative? That's a fraction I'm trying to simplify. -8 divided by 2 will give me -4, which will be -1, which will be equal to -5. Now when I subtract -4, when I subtract -1 from -4 will give me -5, which is equal to -5. Now if you find that on the both sides of the equal sign you find the same number, that means the answer you found is correct. So -5 is the correct answer. That is the value of x. Okay, so we can say that is the final answer. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we also invite you to invite your friends to come to our YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it and also share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.